All right, my 2005 Mercedes SLK. Got the roof down, got a hydraulic leak in the front latch cylinder. So I got the roof down right now, and I had to take off all the seat belt, the paneling here, the carpet, center console, all that stuff so I can get to the hydraulic pump, release the pressure, turn it counterclockwise, which I just did. And now I'm going to raise the roof back up, have it leaning on something here, and then I can take off the paneling and take off the cylinder so I can fix it. Get excited. Whee.